Hello everybody, this is Tammy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And if you have any comments, comment below. I am getting ready for work. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm rushing. I'm running late. It's raining outside. And when you're in California, you have to get out and start driving because it's going to take you a good hour. I'm using my Timewise Repair Firming Serum to firm my skin, to keep my skin nice and firm as I get older. The firmer, whatever life brings. Okay. I'm also using my Timewise Repair Deep Wrinkle Filler to help with those deep lines, those smile lines that I have there. So it kind of helps that a little bit. And I'm also using my day cream. Don't leave the house without your sunscreen. I am using the SPF 30 Day Cream Timewise Repair by Mary Kay Cosmetics. And the next thing you see me doing is I'm going to put my eye cream on. Don't forget your eye cream. We have to have on eye cream. Eye cream is good. Keep the eyes moisturized. It prevents puffiness and dark circles up under the eyes. And the next thing you see me do, I am going to put on my lip balm to soften my lips for my lipstick when I start putting on my makeup. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I am now going to put on my brows using my deep brown brow pencil. And then after that, I am going to put on my brow tint. And what the brow tint does is it helps lay down the hairs. Of course, you have to brush your hairs first and then use the brow tint to lay the hairs down on your brows. And then after I get my eyebrows done and completed, you will see me using my color corrector to correct those dark areas of my skin. It helps hide them as I put my foundation on during the day. I'm going to pat it with my hand, my fingers, to make sure it's all the way in there really good. And then you'll see me using two color correctors, and it's called CC cream. One is a deep and the other one is a medium deep. I have to mix mine because if I use the light, it's too light. If I use the dark, it's too dark. So I combine both of them. And so I make sure it's blended all over my skin with my foundation brush. That foundation brush, I absolutely love it because it evens my foundation all over as I get ready for today. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. And as you see me go through the video, I was really moving fast that morning, and I was trying to tape this video, and so I had already put on my eye colors. So I put my eye mascara on and my eyeliner. I didn't do any colors on my eyes because I was really rushing to get out of there. And I am using the deep nude lipstick, a deep nude pencil, and Troffle lipstick with a soft nude lip gloss is what I'm using on my lips here. Then as I continue on through the video, you'll see me put my Silk powder over my skin, which helps even your complexion with the foundation. And then I have on my setting spray, which will set my foundation for the day. It helps leave the foundation in place all day, 12 hours. So I love it. I'm using my Mary Kay powder brush, and I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to get out of here. Y'all, I am making me some coffee. Put my coffee in here. Get that coffee. My coffee is brewing. Yes, 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 yes. Got to have my caffeine. See my coffee sign? It's caffeine time. Yes, yes. Y'all, look, I got my coffee in my little to-go thing here, and my book I'm reading. I take that with me to work. And that's it.